G'day viewers, welcome to another riveting, absolutely riveting episode of Aussie Pubs in the Day. Now I say this in every episode, but I've got a beauty for you. Today I've got three. We're doing a trifecta. For those that don't follow racing, it means three. We're going to do the pubs in the scrub. Now there's, like I said, there's three of them. We'll start the first, which is the Growan Golf Club, or the club in the scrub. Now these are out of the opal fields, right? People live out here to mine opals. It's about 60 k's out of Lightning Ridge. For those who don't know, Lightning Ridge is just south of the Queensland border. About 70 k's south of the Queensland border in mid New South Wales. Now, here we go. Here's the club in the scrub. Look at that. It's rough and ready, but it's a bloody beauty. This is my second trip here. I came here 2 years ago. It's a bit of a rough road. You don't need a full drive to get here, but it certainly would help. The Growan Opal Fields, the club in the scrub. Let's go in and have a look. I've already got a beer on the bar. Gonna have a game pool when I finish this video. Now there's a lot to see out here. There's a lot of mullock heaps, as it's called. You can go fossicking, or noodling as they call it. This is the overflow bar. Mix linga-longa in. The outdoor area. We'll go down to the crappers first, which are quite interesting. Fire pits as usual in country pubs. What's left over from used to be a sail. God knows what happened to that. Oh, look over there. There's my truck. Buck stoves are disabled. Crapper. The Growan Club in the scrub. Let's go through and have a squeeze. Now, when you get out here, I'll tell you this, it's hard to find. Now, all around Lightning Ridge, they have what they call door tours. And they actually have car doors. They're different colours. Yesterday we followed a yellow one. This one's an orange one. And you'll see them, and they'll have a door, and it'll have the club's name on it, and then the doors are numbered as they come in, so you door number 1, 2, 3, so you can follow it in sequence. So that works out pretty good. We went on a couple of door tours around just to see things around Lightning Ridge. So I think to keep that in mind when you do come up of the door tours. There we go. It's the bar area. Now this is going to be the best pool table I've ever seen. Look at that. I don't know if the light is any good. Oh, fantastic. I'll get back to get a shot of that. I don't know what's going to come up like on camera with the light, but I want one. There's a kids' table, obviously. Dartboards. A few people have it. If you get a feed here, you can camp here. It's free camping, but you're free camping what you'll spend in bloody grog, which is not a bad thing, I suppose. The library, you actually sit in there and read. I haven't had a look at these books, but I intend to because I love books. Yeah. But you got to sign in because it is a registered club. Go right here, we have dining room. It's got a stage, so they must have shows here. We always said we were camping here, but every time I come here, we've never got the bloody time. Got to make time next time. Down here, just a bar area for the kitchen. Well, there you have it. That's about it for the first pub or club in the scrub. So stay tuned as we move on to the second. G'day viewers, welcome back to another episode of Pete's Pub of the Day. Today, follow up to the previous one, I'm at the Sheepyards pub. Now, I don't know, it's just called the Sheepyards. It's in the middle of the Opal Fields up near Lightning Ridge again, and have a look around. There's that much crap around here, you can make an absolute fortune. Oh, that's not crap, that's mine. You got old trucks for miles, old Holdens. There's an old Bedford. I used to have a Bedford like that years ago. There's Holdens that'd be worth a bloody mint if you could get them out. Do them up. There's a half panel van ute. Obviously been done up like that. Anyway, we're not here about that, we're here about the pub. Here we go. People like different. This is very different. Look at that. Go in and have a squeeze. Pizza oven, which is actually running at the moment. A fantastic pool table. Open fire. Unbelievable. Did you get a drink, lovey? Oh. Fair enough. No worries. There. Now, this is out in the middle of nowhere. It really is. You can stay out here if you want. Let's go and have a look at it. They've got a brasserie here. Similar to Daily Waters, but Daily Waters is in the pub. There you go. There, so yeah. Very, very different. Not your average pub, but I'll tell you what, I'm loving it. I am really loving it. You can come out in a bus and do a tour for the day, so you can really get pissed, or I'm just drinking light beer anyway. I'm the driver. Let's go and have a look in here. Kitchen. Oh, there. So, there you have it today. Sheepyard Inn. If you want to know where it is, just put it in the comments and probably be able to post a map up, show you. Because it's just miles out of the way. It's not impossible to find, obviously, because everyone else has found it. But yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, the whole lot, and I'll see you next time. G'day viewers, welcome back. Now this is the last of the trilogy, trifecta, whatever you want to call it, threesome. 3 is the number and 3 is the pubs. And we have this one, the Glengarry Hilton. Look at that, the world famous Glengarry Hilton. Now this joint is in my, not in my personal ones, but top 50 pubs of Australia. People camp here. You've got a mullock heap over. Oh, look at that good looking car. You can fossick through there to find opal if you want. They've got everything here. There's a phone. There's bloody Miners Association buildings over there behind that sheep thing. There's an SES thing there. Yeah, everything. It's incredible. It's like 3 towns within 3 towns. So, yeah, we'll go and have a look. They've got accommodation here. You can actually stay in the pub. Or you can camp up the road if you want. But we'll have a look around and see what's what. Everything's pretty well self-sufficient. Souvenirs. The bar. There's that famous bloke on TV. How lucky am I?
There you go, mate.
Peter.
Hey, Pete. Rod.
Rod, how are you, mate?
Yeah,
I do a little bloody YouTube channel, Aussie Pubs of the Day.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm doing a trilogy today. Yeah, I'll get a photo with you in a minute. Hey, you meet famous people. Look at me, I'm with a famous bloke. Because I watch Outback Opal Hunters. At the other pub, they had your episode on.
Oh, right.
I'll be back, mate. We'll have a drink. There you go. Now, look at that. Now, how's that for a coup d'etat on YouTube? Pool tables. Yeah. Yeah, so it's different. Very, very different. All three of them are different. And we'll go up here. See what's what.
Usually it's nice to ask people first if it's okay to film them.
Sorry, mate. I didn't realise.
I'd rather you didn't.
Yeah, no worries. All right. Point taken. It's just a little personal one that I do. Souvenirs. Oh, yeah. No, it's not on YouTube yet, but anyway. Point taken, mate. Sorry, mate?
I don't want the cops.
No, I wouldn't do that. Anyway. Yeah, there you go. So then we'll get the shits, we'll edit that bit out. So there you have the Glengarry Hilton, the third trilogy of the pubs in the scrub. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, all good. Apart from him getting the shits without it. Adds to the flavour, doesn't it? So that's it for today. Over and out. The next one is going to be really, really good. You'll see it.